Do you own or lease a chronically defective vehicle in Simi Valley, Ventura County, or anywhere in California that's causing you a lot of stress and frustration because of the constant repairs? Your vehicle may qualify for compensation under California lemon law. Join us in this video as we'll explore how Simi Valley Lemon Lawyers can assist you in getting the compensation you deserve. We'll also cover who is responsible for covering their fees and how you can initiate the claims process. Let's get started. To begin with, how exactly can your Simi Valley Lemon Lawyers support you in winning compensation for your defective vehicle? If you happen to possess or lease a defective vehicle in California, plagued with continuous and significant defects during the warranty period that the auto manufacturer has been unable to resolve, you could potentially be entitled to compensation. However, it's important to note that not all defective vehicles meet the necessary requirements of the lemon law in order to qualify. Having a proficient and experienced lemon law attorney by your side can have a tremendous impact on your case. They provide 6 invaluable services that are absolutely essential to your success. First off, your lawyer can accurately evaluate your case. They can accurately examine the details of your case and determine right away if your vehicle qualifies for compensation under California lemon law. Second, your lawyer can help you build up your case. If some requirements are missing, such as additional repair visits to the dealership, the lawyer can advise you on a clear strategy on how to proceed to strengthen your lemon law claim. Third, your Simi Valley Lemon Law attorney will help you gather evidence. They will identify which documents are to be submitted that will constitute the documentary proof of your lemon law claim. Fourth, your lawyer can help you file your lemon law claim. When all documentary evidence is collected, your lawyer will proceed to file a case in court. Once the case is filed, the auto manufacturer will now be on a strict timeline to respond to your claim for compensation. Fifth, your lemon law attorney can help you negotiate the maximum settlement with the auto manufacturer. In the majority of lemon law cases we've handled in California, the manufacturer opted to settle the claim out of court, knowing that the claim will not be filed by the attorney unless it is fully backed by strong evidence. Finally, your lemon lawyer can help litigate your case in court. In the rare instance that the settlement offer is not acceptable to you, your lawyer is prepared to litigate your case in court to obtain a more favorable settlement for your defective vehicle. Considering the crucial services they offer, the question arises, who is responsible for covering the lawyer fees? Here's the best part: your attorney will offer all of these services absolutely free of charge. Yes, you heard it correctly. You can have an exceptional attorney supporting you without spending a single cent. In California, lemon law attorneys operate on a contingency fee basis, which means their fees are covered by the automaker as part of the settlement. They only receive payment if they secure a victory in your case. Now that you're ready to start your lemon law claim, what should be your first step? The path ahead is perfectly clear. Begin the lemon law process today by consulting with a knowledgeable Simi Valley Lemon Law attorney. There's no question that this is a straightforward choice. It's time to be proactive and secure the compensation that is rightfully yours. Remember, the law is on your side, and you shouldn't have to deal with a defective vehicle alone. For assistance to file a lemon law claim in Simi Valley and Ventura County, visit lemonlawyers.org by clicking on the link in the description below, or call 323-553-7525 today for a free consultation. Thank you for watching.